Hello folks, welcome to Passive Income Through Rentals. Today's video is gonna be a short one. I just wanted to show you very quickly how to automate your pre-screening using Gmail and Google Forms. So here I am in my email, and you can get to this part by going to settings and scroll all the way down to vacation responder. The reason we want to create a vacation responder is because we want this email to automatically respond to any rental inquiries we get through Zillow, through Realtor.com, Craigslist, any other websites that you're gonna use. Please dedicate this account only to the specific property and to this rental, because when you set the vacation responder, is going to respond to everybody that with the same message. You have an option here to specify what day it starts and when does it end. And I already in the body of the email here, I already pasted the text in the body of the email, and it says, thank you for your interest in our rental property. In order to be more efficient and to save you time and money, please fill out this survey. If you're a good fit for our property, we will email you a text you showing instructions and the link to our application, and below is a link to the Google form I already created. This form is actually in the description of this video below, so you can copy it, and I'll show you later how to do that. So if you don't know how to get to Google Forms, you have to go to your Drive. Here it is, like right here. You can find Google Forms in Drive. So create a form, pre-screen. I called it pre-screening survey. I actually, this is going to be linked, this form is going to be linked below in the description. So, and because it's a template, you can open it up and save it and use it. You need to save it as a different, just rename it something else when you copy it. And I think this is how you do this. Make a copy. After you open it, just click make a copy and call it something else. This is going to be your own copy. If you've never used Google Forms, you have questions here, all the questions, and then you get the responses. When somebody answers the questions, when you send them this form and they answer all the questions, all the responses automatically are included in this Google sheet. And here it is. And so all the responses go to this Google sheet, so you have everything that you need. Again, I'm not going to go over all the questions that are here because I'm going to link this survey in the description, and also I will link to our article on automating pre-screening. So feel free to read it and visit our website, because we have a lot of other free rental forms and information. So this is what happens when the tenant fills out this survey. you get the response and you decide, do you want to continue and show the property. Our next video will be how to automate the showing and how you can send this survey. You can either link it, I will just click send here. You can send via email if the prospective tenant called you by phone. You can ask them for their email and send them the pre-screening survey instead of spending 25 minutes interrogating them. Or here's a link. You can send them a short link. So that's all there is to it. You can play with this pre-screening survey, call it something else, change the header from right here, change the image. You can have your own property here. And as you can see, the form is in different sections, which you can delete or change. Here is the type of questions you can ask. You can have multiple choice checkboxes, drop down, or file upload if you want to allow the tenants to do self-showing. If you have a logbox on the property, you can ask them to upload their ID and send them so they can see the property on their own. But again, this is not video about automating showing. It's about video on automating pre-screening. So that's it for today. Please don't forget to subscribe and look in the description. I've included a couple of links that might be helpful to you and the link to the pre-screening survey. Thank you.